The sky isn't very pretty today. Normally it is. It's looking a little gray. It's sunny over here though. It's typical Florida weather. Sunny, cloudy, sunny, cloudy. How cute is his jacket? He's a little model. I apologize in advance because we all know what I look like with my hair tied up, which is a thumb. But I'm in the process of getting my hair color changed. I don't like what it looks like right now, therefore I tie it up all the time. Say hi, Tico. Hi, Tico. Do you want to tell everyone what you're eating? Because it's vegan.
Vegan chorizo with brown rice and black beans and tomatoes.
What brand?
And corn.
Where can you find it?
And lettuce.
No, I mean the meat.
Oh.
Because you brought your own meat.
Yeah, I did. Yeah.
But what brand?
Morning Star chorizo. It's vegan.